Yeah, because I don't know anymore.
I can't keep up.
The big X.
It's a good question.
It still works. We know that. Whatever you zip it out there to, who knows?
It's going somewhere, yeah.
I just know all the maps I put on Twitter are getting hotter and hotter. That's an issue we've got to talk about.
Later this week, it's looking rough.
So what are you looking at heat indexes? Way over 100?
Yeah, around 100, 105. We'll see if we end up with some heat advisories for Thursday, Friday, especially Friday, upper 90s on the way. And as we look at this graph right here, this is a look at the average high and low temperatures throughout the year, and that yellow line is today. So we are right in the middle of the dog days of summer, the hottest part of the year, which is July and August, and really through about mid-August before the average temperatures start to go down slowly day by day. So this is the triple H time of the year, hazy, hot, and humid, and that's what we have out there, 91. This is just a small sample of the more extreme heat that we will get later on this week, especially tomorrow. It looks like mid-90s will definitely be possible. It's been in the low 90s today and yesterday, upper 80s, lower 90s. But when you do factor in some of that moisture in the air, it feels hotter than that. 97, the heat index in Munfordville, Brandenburg at 97, and Springfield, Kentucky, feeling like 98. So the humidity has been a little bit worse in Kentucky than Indiana. But hot all over the place. 92, our official high today, a few above the average high of 89. So you don't have to get much above average for it to be a sizzler out there. And the record high 101 back in 1934. Live view, by the way, of that sunshine and some of the wildfire smoke still present from the Canadian wildfires out there. That's kind of elevated wildfire smoke. Hughes and Coleman cam here, part of our U of L Health Camera Network, and heat is going to be the story across the majority of the United States, especially the center part of the U.S., over 100 degrees. So the heat wave that we've kept out to the west for the most part this summer starts to expand to the east as the jet stream starts to lift to the north. That really just opens the door to those 90 plus temperatures and the heat index around 100. So the smoke density, the wildfire smoke, we've had a little bit of that haze around the area today. It's more concentrated to the northeast. It will dissipate, it looks like, over the next couple of days. Right now, no air quality alerts from that as that smoke has been again elevated. Max HD radar showing a couple of pop-up storms off to our southwest. Those are losing their strength. And there was one little tiny shower that tried to get going here just off to the west of Lebanon Junction and Booth down I-65, southern Bullitt County into Hardin County, but that's faded away to maybe a sprinkle. So futurecast showing just a very isolated chance of a shower. Most areas will be staying dry on this rather muggy evening. Overnight low temperatures in the 70s, and so just a midsummer night out there, and it's going to be a scorcher tomorrow with those temperatures in the low to mid 90s across all of Kentuckiana with a good deal of sunshine as well and mostly dry. Just a very small 20% chance of a pop-up shower or storm for tomorrow and into Thursday. Thursday, there's that southwest breeze, the sunshine, all combining to get those temperatures way into the 90s. Now, here's a look at the heat index. When you factor in that humidity, it's going to feel like around 100 or above for our Thursday afternoon. That could climb to around 105 on Friday. Our forecast, hometown temps for tonight in the low to mid 70s, so not dropping off much, and low to mid 90s for tomorrow. So that AC is going to be working very hard over the extended outlook. 96 Thursday, 98 on Friday, a 30% chance of a shower or storm Saturday with a high of 96, and it looks like the 90s will roll on as we head into next week.